This is 8628 Rainy Lake Drive in Fort Worth, Texas. 8628 Rainy Lake Drive in Fort Worth, Texas. This is the interior of the property. And as we make our way to the entrance is a covered entrance. And this property has tile and carpet and laminate floors throughout. And as you come in, you come into the living area and dining area. Living and dining combination here. And it has a single fireplace. And as you can see, they said the carpet will be replaced. Has a ceiling fan in here. And as you come on around, adjacent to the dining area is the washroom. And continue on through to the garage. And it is a two-car garage, and it does have a garage door opener. And as we make our way back in, right across the dining area is the kitchen and breakfast area. Look like we have a couple appliances here, and this is the pantry. And as we make our way back around, you come in, if you come in the house and go to your left, you go to the master. And this is the master suite. It has a ceiling fan. And the master bath, which has a double vanity, separate shower and tub, and the toilet area, and the shower here behind the door. Nice walk-in closet. And right across the closet is the linen area, linen closet. As we make our way back out, come across to another hallway, and the head of this hallway is a coat closet. And as we go down the hallway, you go to the left, you're going to come into bedroom number 2, which has a really nice ceiling fan in it. Like I said, the carpet will be replaced, and this is the closet for and right next door you have bedroom number 3. And this is the closet as well. And last but not least, you have bedroom number 4. Also has a ceiling fan. and the closet. And right next to bedroom 4, you have the linen closet here in the hallway. And the full bath, which is next door to the linen closet with a double vanity. Shower and tub combination. Spot for your linen. And the toilet area. And that concludes the interior for 8628 Rainy Lake Drive here in Fort Worth, Texas.